Shiba, Shiba, Shiba. Where are you, Shiba? Ding, 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 ding. You've just hit the jackpot. What? Come again? 49 million% gain in 2021? Well, I think I'll just go ask the Dalai Lama how to do this all again in 2022. Well, thank you, Shiba. You have been very, very good to me. Me. What? I'm rolling in the money? Beautiful Shiba. Sorry, are we recording? Back to the regular programming. Shiba Inu coin was the GameStop of the crypto world of 2021. All you could hear about on the finance news was Shiba to the moon, Shiba's unstoppable, Shiba to $1, the new Bitcoin. The popularity of this coin has gone to the moon, and to put this into perspective, if someone brought a measly $2.05 at midnight, January 1st, 2021, and we assume that there is a little bit of transaction fee, you would be a millionaire. At its current, you would have been a millionaire. Comparatively, it's exceptionally rare to see single-year gains top 10,000 in the stock market, and equally rarer for cryptocurrency. Deliver 7-digit single-year return, so Shiba Inu is going bananas at the moment, or so it seems. Can this momentum continue? Be sustained in 2022? We better find out. So let's summarize first why the coin went bananas in 2021. One of the main reasons was the world's youngest known crypto billionaire had burned over 6.7 billion worth of the Shiba Inu coin. Ethereum's co-founder Vitalik Buterin sent a whopping you have to bear with me when I say this, 410-241-996-771, 410-241-966-771, 871-8947-718-261-747-55464. Whoa, that was a crazy number of coins. I better have a break and have a Kit Kat, or just a random chocolate will do. 410 Shiba Inu coins? That was much easier just to say it like that, wasn't it? Too late now. Effectively destroying them, and now that's accounting for 41% the total SHIB in circulation at that time. Buterin decided to burn 90% of all his remaining Shiba tokens in his wallet. Buterin's holdings in SHIB were given to him by the founders as a marketing tactic when it launched. Obviously, simple economics using real estate, for example, and Shiba Inu coin. Basically, 40% of all houses around the world, if they were all unsellable due to being uninhabitable on toxic land, would mean there will be more demand than supply, forcing prices up. A house worth $1 million is now worth $1.8 million. As the supply has dropped 40% and people start to overpay, next month your house you buy sells for $3 million. And all of a sudden the house prices go back to normal and you try to sell the real estate. It would have gone up a little bit, but now it's only worth $1.5 million. It's the most you can get for it. So your equity is cut in half because you overpaid at $3 million. So with Shiba, that happened as well, but went flying to the moon like we never saw before. Don't you worry, Buterin would have kept some SHIB. He ain't that silly. He's laughing all the way to $1 trillion. But to be fair, trying to sell that sort of investment will take you forever, the way crypto is sold. At the moment, you can only sell from 100 to 250k at a time. Now we understand the main reason why Shiba Inu coin went up from major demand and a lack of supply. Let's look at 3 reasons why you should buy Shiba Inu coin in 2022. Firstly, Vitalik Buterin was the biggest driver in 2021. What he is doing in 2022 could be the key whether to buy in or hold off. He donated to the Indian COVID relief fund 50 trillion of his Shiba Inu coin, putting Shiba Inu on the map in India, getting the Indian community excited. If you look at the demographics of the country, 1.4 billion people you can reach to invest in crypto. They may understand Ethereum and Bitcoin's popularity, and some of them will follow the trend to SHIB. So India I see as a big market. If Buterin promotes Shiba Inu more, you may see a demand continue. Research from Mimanza Verma suggests it's the time many Indians splurged on gold, both to invest and to gift. Obsessed with the yellow metal, buying it around this time of the Hindu Festival of Lights is deemed particularly auspicious. This year, 2021, however, it is the virtual token that a number of younger Indians are collecting and gifting. Bitcoin, the world's oldest and biggest digital token, leapfrogged to a record high of 67,000 or 50.09 lakhs rupees in October. This surge, which analysts believe is also a possible result of this new trend amongst Indians, has taken the cryptocurrency market players by storm. They got on the trend of Shiba Inu instead of the gold, and this can also be linked back to Elon Musk with a November tweet tweeting an ancient Chinese poem about two brothers who fight out of jealousy. As what some people said on Twitter, could be a bleak reference to the Dogecoin versus Shiba Inu cryptocurrency spat. The tweet posted by the world's richest man was titled Humankind, followed by the poem in Chinese, known as the Quatrain of Seven Steps. The poem is often attributed to Charles Yi, a member of the Chinese royalty who lived between 192 and 232. This is according to Bloomberg. The legend goes that Chaos, Charles' older brother, freshly crowned king, had suspicion his more popular brother is trying to become the king through spreading lies about him, which forced him to produce a poem that would proclaim his innocence. The poem is roughly translated as this: beanstalks are ignited to boil beans. The beans in the pot cry out, we are born of the same root. Why should we incinerate each other with such impatience? Some online commentaries pointed to the rivalry between cryptocurrency, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu to explain the tweet from Musk, who frequently advocates for Dogecoin on social media. The newer Shiba Inu token, another meme coin that appears to have been inspired by its canine-themed cousin, has overtaken Dogecoin in market value, so the Indian revolution is coming to sweep all markets. One of the biggest growing countries in the world, along with China, have the chance to take control of crypto if they really wanted to, as they have way more people in their countries, as more people in those countries get more financially clued up. So for any country out there wanting to grow the economy, teach finance, business investing in schools will certainly help the world be more educated to find more entrepreneurs like you. The number two reason to consider Shiba Inu coin in 2022 is the metaverse. Whether you like it or not, the metaverse will be here, so get your head around it as quickly as possible so you can find an opportunity to be rich. Early in December, Shiba Inu core developers and its creator Rishi, they are trying to build their own metaverse. Oshiverse. They were quoted as saying, we are working on so many parts of the Shiba Inu, like Shiba, Shibarium, ShibaNet, the decentralized Shiboshi game incubator, and much more that won't become visible until the near future. The metaverse field has become one of the fastest growing in the crypto industry ever since the parent company of Facebook changed its name to Meta Platforms. The Motley Fool suggests video game designer William David Falk has been tapped on the shoulder to be a partner of the Shiba Inu game project. Falk has quite the track record when it comes to the game space. His 36 years of experience include an executive role at Activision Blizzard, as well as a number of high-profile projects that have investors excited about the potential of this collaboration. There is a suggestion the blockchain version of the game that's been theorized right now will eventually use Shiba Inu decentralized network, incorporating Shiba Inu into the metaverse. All the excitement around the metaverse right now could provide for some serious speculative momentum in the short term. So if the game takes off in 2022, you could potentially see a rise in the Shiba Inu price. The third reason you could expect Shiba to fly to the moon in 2022 is the burn. Let it burn, let it burn, let it burn. It's barely a few days into 2022 and the Shiba Inu token burn seems to be progressing at a steady rate. Stephen Cooper, CEO of Bigger Entertainment, a crypto record label, shared news of the 2.75 million Shiba Inu token burn on January 3rd. The CEO announced that the total 889,483,100 SHIB tokens has been burned since the announcement of the burn campaign on October 20. In the major burn campaign, 9 businesses have joined the Shiba burn pledge. They promises to burn a fixed percentage of the profits to the official SHIB burn wallet. The list of companies include the Shiba Coffee Company, a coffee shipping company that supports the SHIB ecosystem. It states that 100% of its profits will go towards buying SHIB. Bigger Entertainment, a crypto record label with a variable SHIB burn, in which artists agreed to donate 20% of royalties to burn SHIB. The Vibe Makil, a cosmetic line that burns 15% of all sales made in SHIB. Mark Lien, a knitted apparel store, 25% will be burned from all purchases using SHIB as a payment method. Precious Paws deals in dogs, accessories and toys, and 20% of its profits will be used in burning sheep. The Crypto Network, 25% of its sales will be used to burn sheep. Save the effing trees, save the beep trees. 75% of earnings from the gear and arts will go into the burn. The Shibets, one-on-one NFTs, burning a percentage of the proceeds from NFT sales. Shiba Inu also announced its bigger burn roadmap for 2022. To the excitement of sheep fans, Bigger Entertainment, fully committed to Shiba Inu's success and holding over 1 billion sheep, has announced that its sheep burn will not be a thing of the past. The entertainment firm shared its huge roadmap plan for 2022 will burn initiatives scheduled to happen every month. Already January to April is booked with burn parties, as stated in the roadmap. First, the Shiba Inu community will be treated to the excitement of the Sheep Lovers merch campaign, scheduled to run from January 14th to February 14th. According to the crypto record label, 80% of the proceeds from all Sheep Lovers purchases will be burned. In a very special treat for soccer fanatics, the Sheep Super Burn event is scheduled to host from February 7th to 13th. Aside from soccer fans, basketball lovers too will have an equal share of the treats with NFT madness. Slated to run on March 13th to April 4th. The crypto record label organised a live Christmas themed burn party when it gave out free NFTs and burned over 239 million sheep tokens. Burning Shiba Inu tokens permanently removes them from the circulating supply. This is done by sending the tokens to a special wallet, unobtainable private key. So what do I see for the future of Shiba Inu coin? Well, to be perfectly honest, on the positive side, you would say more probable than an increase is likely, but not to the scale of what we saw in 2021. On just pure mathematics, if it grew the same amount again, we'll be talking about the third biggest crypto in the world, if not the biggest. How likely is that? Very unlikely. This is not financial advice. Do your own research and come up to your own conclusions before investment in anything, including crypto, shares and real estate. SHIB has the potential to increase 10,000% this year, but it could easily lose 50% like Dogecoin as popularity wanes and the next big thing comes along. Well, guys and gals, that's enough from me today. I hope you've gained some knowledge around Shiba Inu coin. You can do your own research to see if Shiba Inu coin is right for you. If you can high five the like button so the sheep burn continues 2,122 100 years later, so we all become rich for many generations to come, and subscribe to the channel so we all turn into cute Shiba Inu dogs and spread the love around the world. Woof woof. See you at the next video.